If you're looking to improve your vehicle's transmission performance, you'll find that the best medicine is some routine maintenance and a little extra TLC. Some of these things must be handled by your trusted auto mechanic, but others have more to do with how you drive. Let's look at some of the top ways you can not only improve transmission performance, but also extend your transmission's life and possibly avoid expensive transmission repairs. Number 1. Schedule an engine tune-up. Your vehicle's systems work together, similar to how different parts of the human body operate in tandem. Since the engine and transmission work closely together, periodic engine tune-ups can help improve engine performance and reduce stress on the transmission. Number 2. Schedule radiator and cooling system service. Since one of the leading causes of transmission failure is overheating, it's a good idea to maintain your vehicle's cooling system. Keeping coolant clean and at optimal levels, checking for leaks, inspecting belts and hoses, and replacing parts as needed can all be done during a cooling system service at your local auto repair shop. Number 3. Stop spinning your wheels. It can be tempting to show off your vehicle's power by peeling out from a stop sign, or shifting rapidly between drive and reverse is some drivers' go-to method of getting out of a sticky or muddy situation. Since both of these driving habits can cause the transmission to overheat, it's better for transmission performance and longevity if you avoid them altogether. Number 4. Watch your weight. Your vehicle's towing and carrying weight, that is. Each vehicle has a towing and carrying capacity recommended by its manufacturer. If you consistently carry or tow heavier loads than what's recommended, you run the risk of damaging the transmission or, at the very least, shortening its life. Number 5. Keep transmission fluid clean and at the right level. Your vehicle's transmission is full of moving parts, and transmission fluid is needed to keep it operating smoothly. Too much or too little fluid can cause damage to delicate parts, as can dirty fluid. We recommend a full transmission flush every 30,000 miles, as well as regular checking of transmission fluid levels and condition. At Good Works Auto Repair, we're big believers in preventative maintenance because it helps vehicles and their many parts last longer. It also helps protect your wallet because regular maintenance provides the opportunity to catch and fix small problems before they become larger, more expensive ones. If you truly want to improve transmission performance, extend its usable life, and help prevent costly repairs, give us a call or schedule an appointment online for service today. We're happy to be your trusted source for professional and affordable auto repair and maintenance services here in Tempe, Arizona.